Hi guys, hi everyone, how are you? I'm so happy to see you again here in my video, in my channel. Again, before we start, please subscribe my channel if you like what I do here. And I have another unboxing video, okay, because I have got this letter, this envelope. I don't really know what I have here, and I want to open this one with you. Okay, it's completely closed as you can see, so I want to open it with you. Before we start, please subscribe my channel, I already told this, and you can follow me by my Instagram. All of this, I think it's banknotes, so all of these banknotes I will update also in my Instagram profile. And also you can, as many of you already do, you can update your coins, for example, in my app. It's very useful, it's very cool. I'm so happy, I'm so proud for all of you who already just update her coins or his coins in this app. It's so many coins, so from so many countries. Thank you very much, first of all. So let's go. So let's open this with you. Up. I get some banknotes. So excited. Okay, so let's see. Oba! Okay. Wow. So let's see what we have. Okay, we have, first of all, it's 50 rubles. 50 ruble from Russia. Okay, I don't have this one. It's I think it's almost uncirculated banknote in very good condition. I like it. Wow. Okay. Here we have a new 10 Swiss francs. Very amazing banknote. And I'm so happy to have it in my collection. Also, I see here I got 100 Swiss franc. Also a very amazing banknote. You will see it in my Instagram profile, my Instagram channel, because it is very amazing banknote. And okay, and also I got two banknote of 200 Swiss franc, but this is, as I know, this is the previous series. I think it's 8th series, and this is the 9th series. A very cool, a very amazing Swiss 200 francs. Very, it's also very expensive currency. So, okay, this is what I got, and I will put also it in my albums. Every banknote in a relevant place. So if you like this unboxing event, please subscribe my channel, and I hope I see you I see you next video. Thank you very much. Please like me, please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.